What is up, everyone? Welcome to putting shit on a motorcycle. Welcome to putting things on stuff. Welcome to making my motorcycle more comfortable. Welcome to pretending I'm a mechanic, but not actually a mechanic. Welcome to hopefully not ruining the motorcycle. Welcome to trying to make it a little more comfortable and keeping my rear sets from driving me in the path. Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you're enjoying it so far. It's a little awkward going through all the processing footage and, your friends choose to watch it right next to you. I appreciate you all, nonetheless. So today, not riding, not for the moment, maybe a little bit later. We're actually going to be installing the rear sets on the bike because they're comfortable. And why not, right? The rear sets we found are on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, just over $100. I've been wanting to change them anyway, but a lot of them go like $300 and up. So grand scheme, what's $100, right? Give me some knowledge, learn something new. Maybe help you buy some rear sets or not buy some rear sets. Help you install them. I don't know, especially because these ones didn't come with instructions, but I'll hit on that later. So, let's get to it. Damn. So I don't think it's gonna work, and I think I'm not gonna return it because, yeah, that, like, I understand, like, it's not mounted completely, but I wanted to get an idea of where it would sit, and well, you see the problem. It hits. And I don't have an aftermarket exhaust. Maybe it would work with one, maybe it wouldn't. I don't really know, but I can't really afford to buy one right now. So I would call this a failure, and I honestly don't think I would ever buy this again or anything from this company again, because I don't like when things don't have instructions. So that's where I'm gonna leave that for now.
Moments later.
So we ended up deciding that we're gonna return the stupid thing. Not because of the same reason I mentioned earlier. We managed to get it to where it wasn't hitting the exhaust. But the problem is that there's not anywhere to put the brake light spring words. And then there was also nowhere to really put the, where is it? Return spring, which is important. There was in here this, I don't know if you can see it, this little sketchy bolt, which we tried to kind of make work to use as a return spring instead of a light spring, but it's too sketchy for us. We could probably jerry-rig some Home Depot, Lowe's stuff together to make it work, but we're just gonna return it and just save up for a while, get a few other things pot, and then maybe get some nice expensive ones. But that's kind of where that's left off. And so yeah, it's kind of a non-build thing. A failed review stuff.
They suck.
Yeah. I mean, they're made in China. Made in China. So I guess that's what you get for $100 and something off Amazon.
They could have been really good. They just didn't have the return spring or the brake light spring switch thing. Like, they didn't have full square either. So
Yeah, what he said.
that's a problem.
What he said. But, I guess I can do a formal, actual thanks for watching. See you next time. Maybe the next time we put some stuff together, it will actually work out.
We've got another Chinese part coming for the F-09.
Yes. Big Stack husband, whatever his name is, ordered some more cheap Chinese knockoffs for the 09 over there, which he will do an unboxing for and maybe put it on. I don't know. We're just kind of winging this thing. But thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed what I managed to not accomplish, and I will see you next time.